Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today I'm talking about my keto diet so far. I did a video yesterday about my keto diet. This is the fifth week, the middle of the fifth week of my keto diet, and yesterday I did a video of my benefits so far. Today I'm talking about, my goal was today was not to eat one meal a day today. And right now, it's going on 1:30 in the afternoon. I haven't had no breakfast or lunch, and I still feel okay. I don't feel hungry right now. My goal is to go one whole day eating one meal. And the one tip I tell people or my videos about keto, it takes a long time. It takes almost 2 months to really get fat adapted. I'm really on fat adapted where I'm not as hungry. I go longer without eating. And normally now at work, I usually eat a big breakfast. I usually eat, before I'm on keto, I eat French toast with syrup, bacon, egg, sausage, corned beef hash, and, potatoes. That's for breakfast. And for lunch, I might make 2 sandwiches or leftover Chinese food or a 3-piece pizza or not a healthy way of eating. And I sit at a computer desk all day, and so I'm eating on foods all day, every day, 5 days a week, and that's making me gain weight. So I had to get on some type of diet. And I couldn't go to the gym all the time either. I had the time, so I needed some type of diet where I can just eat the food similar to what I'm eating and still lose weight. And I discovered keto. A friend of mine's was at a cookout, and a friend of mine talking about how the keto diet, they lost 7 pounds in a week. So I did research on it and found the benefits. And in the middle of week 5 of doing keto, I feel great. The hunger, there's no hunger pain, and then my last video I talked about the hunger pain. It's very subtle. It's like it hits you all at once. So on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the harshest pain, while eating carbs, it was like an 8. I was just hungry. I need something to eat now. Now my hunger pains is like a 2. Then about 30, 40 minutes, I might go to a 3. Then it goes little by little. It's not a harsh thing. The longer you go without eating, the more fat you burn. What I've been reading, because eating causes insulin to occur, and that stops fat burning. That's what I've been reading online. So I try to eat as less as I can. I try to eat a snack. I eat some salami and some cheddar cheese blocks with the salami for. I bought that just in case I do get hungry today I work. I don't want to be at work all day starving. I did bring me a snack, but it's already almost 1:30. I leave at 4:30, and I might make it all the way to dinner. And for dinner, I eat a really big meal. I eat 2 boneless burgers. I eat bacon. I eat sauteed mushrooms, sauteed spinach. I might even throw an avocado in there just to have that extra fat, because I know I'm not going to eat no time soon. So, that's what I do right now. That's my goal right now. That's been working for me. Eating a lot of fat. I tell my wife to eat my biggest meal at nighttime. It's like, why you get the biggest meal at nighttime? I want to go longer without eating. Remember, I eat my dinner around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So you have all night. I go to sleep. That's 6 hours of sleep. So I'm not eating. I wake up. There's no breakfast. So I'm eating 12 hours, 13 hours, I ate again. So I'm using the fat that's already stored in me to use it for energy. I'm not hungry. So just like a little update on my keto diet. It's been going really well so far, really, really well. I absolutely love this diet. I have no pain in my knee no more. I used to have, I still have osteoarthritis in my left knee, and it flares up here and there. I take glucosamine to help that, but with this diet, I don't feel no pain at all, pretty much. If I do 1 in 10, it's like a 2. Back then, it was on carbs, it was more like a 5 or a 6. So that put it in perspective how much pain I'm in. Now I'm like a 1 or 2, like barely noticeable, but I know it's still there. But just the energy level is just crazy. the mental levels is off the charts. Like, I don't want sweets. You know, I don't want sweets because I know what I was before I started the diet. So it's kind of like you see these ice cream and cookies in stores, and just think about it. I think about, like, okay, when I was eating the cookies and ice cream, how did I feel? I was gaining weight, my knees hurt me, I was crashing every two couple hours, and I wasn't feeling good, and my mind was in the fog. So why would I eat these things knowing they're not good for me? You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like your mind just thinks. It's like my body doesn't work the cookies. It wants what I'm eating now. And for my sweets, I'm eating Quest bars right now, and that kind of helped with the sugar that I kind of want. It eased the pain of sugar. I do want some sweets, but Quest bars been working for me. And you know, this is the best diet I've ever been on. I keep saying it on my videos. This is the best diet I've ever been on. It's totally helped me rethink food, what to stay away from, what to eat, and as a total 360 on my diet and my health. I feel terrific. I'm saving money because I'm not buying no food out no more. We're buying less food. We're buying better food that's a little cheaper. When I'm buying cookies and ice cream and cereal and milk and sweet tea and sugar and that's just breakfast pastries and muffins, and those are like 6 things I just named that saved us over $100. I mean, give or take. That saves a lot of money, buying all that stuff all the time. And we're buying different things. We're buying the same thing but more quantity. I'm buying more bacon, burgers. We used to buy bread all the time too. We buy 2 loaves of bread, ketchup, barbecue sauce. Just think about stuff I was buying before. Now I'm not buying them things no more. I'm saving money. Jelly, sweet stuff. I used to buy protein bars with some carbs in it. I'm not buying those things no more, so it saves me money down the long haul. So keto will help you save money. You might not see it on the front end, but on the back end, it will save you a lot of money. Okay, that's it for my video today. On my keto diet, I'm gonna do one next week, and we'll see how I feel next week. And I keep update what's going on with me. But that's my video for today. Didn't have much to say about the keto, but I was loving it so far. Don't want to give it up. I'm going to go this for a long time because my goal is to lose about 60 pounds with keto. Working out will also help that. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.